Let's talk about being an introvert and trying to make it on YouTube. So, a majority of us are actually introverts. I am a huge introvert. I hate talking in front of a public, of a bunch of people. I would lose it completely if I was to speak in front of a bunch of people. I am now not too afraid of being judged, not not as I was when I was younger. So I guess when you get older, you kind of lose that fear of being judged because you just lived, and you know that in life, not everybody is gonna love you. You're not gonna be liked by everyone, and that's normal. So, and some people they just want to give you negative comments about everything because that's who they are. A lot of people are not happy with their lives and they want to judge other people's lives and just create that negative type of aura. But you learn to ignore that. So, being an introvert on YouTube, I think, is a great, YouTube is a great way to express yourself as an introvert because at the end of it, like, think about it, you're just talking to your camera. Nobody's talking back to you. If you ever get a negative comment, and you will, and that's normal, and the more negative comments, the better, actually, because that means that your video is being pushed and you're getting more viewers, and that's what you want at the end of it. So if you get a lot of negative comments, uh, just learn to ignore them because people that are commenting negatively, they don't know you, first of all. And they will never say that to your face, never ever. So ignore that and use the platform to express yourself in whatever you're usually afraid to talk about because it's kind of controversial, or you don't want to have an argument with someone. Like, use YouTube to like express yourself and create your audience, create your community, because that's what YouTube is about. It's about creating a community. So the best way for people to get used to talking in front of a camera and expressing themselves would be by every day, if you can, pull up your camera and talk to your camera like you're talking to a friend of yours. So your camera is your friend. So talk to your camera regularly. Don't be afraid of publishing that video, even though you don't think it's perfect, because very often we just want a perfect video, but you'll never get a perfect one to everyone. Think When you think about it, like, everybody has different styles, and maybe the way you show up in front of the camera, the way you film yourself is not gonna be perfect for someone else, even though for you it's good. So don't be afraid of publishing that first video. The more you do, the better. So I would recommend anyone who's an introvert and afraid of talking in front of the camera, afraid of being judged, afraid of expressing themselves. I'm working on that, trying to express myself better and better every time. Because, first of all, English is not my first language, so that's a huge barrier that I had for a long time. But I've learned realizing that, to just realize that people, as long as they do understand you, that's all that matters. So it doesn't matter if you have an accent. It doesn't matter if you don't find your words all the time. That's part of the process, and that's good. You're learning every day. So if you do pull up your camera every day, film yourself, and express yourself about a subject you want to talk about to create a community, publish it. You'll get better over time, and you'll be surprised how much of an audience you can grow just by doing that. So don't be afraid. Pull out your camera. Take a video of yourself today, even if it's a 2-minute video. Start to create your community by talking about what you like or what you dislike, or if you have an opinion on something, you want to travel somewhere, you want to You want to ask your community questions. People love to answer questions, they love to give their opinions about everything. So if you want to ask your community what they think about something as well, that's a way of creating like a community, your community of whatever topic you want to talk about. So take a small video every day, 2-minute video. It doesn't have to be long. You don't need to be editing that video at all. Just look at it after and try to look at it with just a gentle way of looking at yourself. Don't be too harsh, because we like to be harsh on ourselves. We're never perfect. Look at me, like my hair are just absolute garbage. Today I just came back from the pool. I don't care. I don't have any makeup either. I'm not wearing fancy clothes and I don't care. I just wanted to pull that camera out and talk about being an introvert and how you can fight this fear by just taking action every day. That's all you need to do. So tell me tell me in the comment below if you are an introvert. If that's you, comment below. Tell me you will start to like take videos of yourself every day, talk to your camera, get used to it, because I promise you, creating a YouTube channel can literally change your life overnight. And it didn't change my life yet overnight, but I'm loving the process. I love showing up all the time, even though I'm not perfect. And that's the beauty of it. It's getting easier and easier for me to show up even as an imperfect person that I am. So I think, yeah, do it. It's like a little work that you have to do on yourself as an introvert, but it can get you so far. I'll see you on the next video, guys.